For over 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now with you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to a very first try, from dropping to falling to learning to fly. Stroke of the pain, village motion and meets the eye. It's the magic that we collide. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the fly of the butterfly.
Don't stop. It only takes a part of the way. You gotta have to know it's some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share. But I got and I'm almost there. I remember the details. Fairy tales do come true. But you gotta make up everything.
Will today be the day? Be ready to fly. Could take a try.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squads.
We can be immortals, immortals, but not for long, for long. Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in low and fast, take you by surprise. It's make your purpose time.
Note to self, don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
No se aguante más, hay que crecer, partir volver. I want to be your light, wonders around you. Just let the walls come down, don't look behind you, fly till you find a door tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the magic that we collide. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's the magic that we collide. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's wondrous.
So, we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But Pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.